In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create the whip transition in Premiere Pro. To begin, I've imported these two clips onto my timeline over here. The first thing you need to do is to move your playhead to the center of these two clips. Next, hold down Shift and hit the left arrow key 3 times to move back 15 frames. Select the first clip and move it to video track layer 2 and slide the second clip underneath the first clip. Next, select the first clip and go over to the Effects tab and search for the crop effect and add the crop effect to the video 1, and under the crop effect in Effects Control, scroll down to whatever direction you would like the crop effect to crop to. For example, I would like this to go from left to right, so I'll select right and move the playhead to the end of your clip and increase the crop property to 100. Now go to Edge Feather and select the arrow drop down and increase the edge feather to 100, and make sure that this your keyframe is set to the extreme end. And that's it guys on how to create this wipe transition effect in Premiere Pro.